رمضان ده حياتي حلى أوقاتي يا رب صلاتي تقبلها عطول.
I think I'm about to sit like this because it's better and you can see me. The sun is in my eyes, but no problem. The important is that you can see and hear me. By the way, assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to my channel, and today is day 6 of Ramadan. Alhamdulillah, I just went to buy some grocery and I'm waiting for my dear sister friend. Oh my god, look at that car guys. Can you see? I don't think you can see it, but I'm going to show you. But today in my city we have a thing called cruising, you know, where people show off their very vintage car. And so what's happening today, that's the noise, that's why it's so much noise today, because people are showing off their vintage, beautiful vintage cars and going through the town and back and forth. So it's been a bit very trafficated. So anyways, what I have for you today guys is actually a vlog. Yay, I'm doing a vlog. Yeah, that vlog. And today we are having a bunch of friends coming over to our house, and inshallah, so we are having a bunch of friends coming over and we're gonna eat iftar together, and we're gonna have some bati and we're gonna cook together and all that. So I was just buying the last thing that we needed. I'm going home to cook some. Someone is calling, give me a second. The person I'm waiting for, I think. Hi habibti. Hello. Hi, bye bye. Bye bye. That was my sister calling and asking if I have found everything we needed, but we haven't. You know, she wants some halal watermelon and we don't really, they didn't have here, and I cannot go to the other shop because the city is full packed. Honestly, I mean full packed. I'm gonna show you a little bit of the cars. I think I'm gonna show you guys so you can actually see a little bit of it. And I'm just gonna leave my purse here, and I have my phone in there as well. So like I was saying, we're having some friends over and gonna cook and eat iftar together. Look here guys, can you see? Oh, that's me. Peace out. And we see another car here and people are watching basically, and the police is everywhere because people are not supposed to drink while driving. What my city is doing today, Haramiyah, while we are having Halaliyah, you know. Yeah, anyways guys, I'm just sitting in the car waiting for Yakin, and then I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna show you what we're cooking. And keep this in mind, what we are cooking today is nothing there saying that is healthy. We're just cooking Somali food. You can see guys, here I have all the batis for the girls. When they come, they don't need to go and look for them, they're just gonna change and put them on these batis, because today's gonna be a bati thing. Those who are in the kitchen already have bati on, so these are for the girls who are coming, and it's waiting for them on a silver plate. So yeah, I'm just going out. So this is what I got, and Abai is making some boo, and they have soda. People, can you see these? Can you see? Homemade. MashaAllah. Guys, these are homemade. So she's gonna show Yakin how to make.
She's gonna show Adan how to make
Adan Arabiya. Okay, how do you, okay, show her then.
This is her.
You have to show her.
Okay.
And I have to get it on camera as well.
Okay. Vi ska göra så här. Vi tar den så. Ska man lägga den här? Nej, lägg här den här. Lägg den.
Ja. Det är som lim. Kvinna.
Sen en till.
Exactly. Take a little bit of it.
Titta vad duktigt.
And then you're gonna fold that. Yeah, fold it.
Så. Inte hela.
But we don't want to get that, because the oil is gonna go through.
Där, okay. Titta.
Yeah, and then you're gonna put that in. But let me show you. This is me. I'm gonna show you. I'm just gonna show them. You take, you have halala folded up. You take this, put it like, let me show you. This is how you do it, girl. This is how you do it. You take that here.
De här sidan, eller hur?
You take it like that and then you... Hello! Salam. And then you see, you don't want anything to be, du vill inte ha hål i. And then you take that like that. This is tuna. And then you put it, don't put too much. Don't put cheese fish. And then you fold it like that. You see? Fold it just like that. And then you take limit, like it or don't. You put it like that, but we don't really want anything to be, how do you say, shown.
Ta det lugnt. Jag ber dig.
This is it.
Nej.
You put it like that, guys. Can you see that? Yeah. So I show you the sambus, and I'm gonna show you how to. So guys, I'm gonna do something called nafaho. I have mashed potatoes here, and I have some spices, and I have eggs, and I have flour, and a little bit of, you know, spices here as well. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm just gonna show you one, because that's what we're doing. I'm gonna try to mix this first. You take the potato. I'm gonna, okay, I'm gonna take some flour first in my hand, put the potato in, and try to make it as, you know, as flat as you can. Take the egg, put it inside. We're gonna do, because we don't want, you know, too big. And then can you see what I'm doing? You take that. This is how I do. Yeah, can you see? Who would ever know that there's eggs in here? I'm gonna put, yeah guys, so we are going to go and pick some a friend of mine, and that's what's happening. The other girls are still cooking, they're still in the kitchen, and inshallah I'm gonna show you what I made. I made some delicious meals, you know, and we have one who is not, who doesn't eat meat, so she's vegetarian. Yeah, she's a vegetarian, yeah, which was very hard to come up with dishes to make, but alhamdulillah, today wasn't about showing you the recipe and everything. It was just about showing you what we're cooking, because if you like anything that you see in this video, inshallah, just tell me, and I'm gonna try to do a cooking video for you guys, so it'll be very fun. So see you live. I have to close myself in the closet because the girls are here, alhamdulillah. We have a full house, we have 14 people, and I'm gonna show you what we did, what we cook. Oh my god. We have dolma, we have sambus, we have something there with vegetable in it, and here we have cheese and burmaan. Oh, mashallah. So what we have here, guys, I'm gonna show you. There we have pasta alla rauda, there's cheese and all good stuff, basbas. Bidin sabayid, something with chicken in it, you know, burmaan, ka'ka. Yeah, ماشي واحد مكبها سكر، واحد دوبة أو دار كجرت دار كمجرت كاس هذا إسكاليا، كنا هذا إسكاليا. سوق واحد. There we have some boost with the tuna, with hilib, dolma, with hilib and other things, and there that dolma there's no hilib in it. And what we have there, we have the a bit healthier. You see?
Må Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala välsigna er alla. Må Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala förena oss i Jannat al-Firdaus. Förena oss just i den här stunden.
Amen.
Jag ber Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala att välsigna vartenda hand som har lagat den här goda maten.
Amen.
Jag tänkte säga varenda person som har kommit också. Varenda person här har en önskan inom bordsfära. Och jag ber Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala att var en här på sina önskningar uppfyllelse.
Amen ya Rabbi. Inte Krisse. آمين. أنت كنت آمين. أنت عنوسه آمين. أنت صقد حتى آمين. The house. Pasta. I don't actually use noodles. I use pasta, regular pasta. So I'm just gonna.
ربي أسجود بريا ربي أسجود ركوعا
I'm just gonna show you how I make my injera using our pan for first time. First, so you take that pan, the oil in it. Sister, I have set the table for her, and we have water, we have a mug and everything. Here we have some sugar for her coffee because she loves coffee. And what I made today is basically a wok noodle, no, pasta. Actually, I don't like noodles that much, so I used pasta. And there we have my delicious suqar. There we have suqar, and there we have some fruits. And here, guys, anjera. So she's gonna eat anjera with suqar and a little bit of that. But don't forget one thing there, guys. That's a must. You know, you have to have dates. Infinitely, it's sunnah. You start with dates and a little bit of water. I have the water bottle here.
صوم صوم بشهر رمضان صوم 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 بشهر رمضان صوم 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 سنذيو فرض كأوغا فقراء ذا سكذا سيا سنذيو فرض كأوغا فقراء ذا سكذا سيا سقذ دحل الكيتوسا ربي أسجود بريا.
Cheese, who doesn't love cheese? Come on. So this is going to go into the oven for a couple minutes. So guys, as you can see, my mac and cheese is done. Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back. It's another day of Ramadan, iftar together. So we're gonna actually sit together. Sing Doran. Okay, we're gonna actually sit and eat together. We are at my friend's house today, one of my good friends. We actually helped each other to cook, but we're gonna show you. And don't mind me, don't mind this thing I have underneath my chin. It's because I have, you know, I was trying this device where you're supposed to take out your, what do you say, your blackheads, and that's why I look this like this. And I'm not wearing any makeup because I was slaving. I was being a slave in the kitchen, and this woman who's coming now, her makeup is done to the I don't know what. So can you see how beautiful she is? Yeah, wait, I was cooking and being a slave while she was putting some makeup on her face.
Can you see the glow that I put on?
Yeah, but I think the lighting is quite weird.
Yeah, but wait. Yeah, look at this makeup.
And the little girl is doing what? Anyways, there's our iftar, and it's coming actually along as well. A lot of it is coming. I know we're not that healthy. So today we're gonna be like 8, 9, 10 girls, I think. Mashallah. Put mashallah in it to use. We're gonna change the colors. We're gonna use a little bit of orange actually.
عالم كودا ومال عانو عدل نسي عيدا 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 ما انت عيد ونكسا عيدا عالم كودا ومال عانو عدل نسي عيدا.
Are ready for Eid, as you can see, guys. Ready. These are new, so we're gonna use those on our sofa. so it's the same color, as you can see. And then we're gonna use white. Look at those. Gonna go, guys. Now is actually the kitchen's time. I'm sorry for the lighting, because the light in here is not the best, and that is a bit too much. So we're gonna just go in and change that. So as you can see, guys, I actually changed. My sister's is making some noises in the background because we're getting rid of some shoes and all that, so sorry for that. But I changed the curtains. As you can see, the other ones were white as well, but these are more like, it has lace. It's white with lace, and then I just like that. And I actually water the flower, and one of my flowers is dead, but it's gonna grow back soon. So those other ones are looking, those two are plastic, but the other ones are looking quite alright. And these are real. These ones are real, but they're almost dead. We are getting rid of a lot of things because we are moving soon, and yeah. Anyways, and these are my shoes. Look. These are beautiful. I have never had those shoes actually on me, but they're beautiful. Can you see? Look. They are very high though, because I'm not a high heel person. And yeah, we're taking out our summer shoes. Assalamu alaikum, guys. It's officially Eid, and my mother called a couple minutes ago and said that it was Eid, and to say Eid Mubarak to you guys. Eid Mubarak wa kullu amtum bi khair. Okay, I think people are watching. But anyways, I'm just going to unfortunately we're still working. That's not what I was meant to say. I was just meant to say that, you know what, I forgot. I totally forgot to go and grab my things. Sorry, the light is going and coming and going and coming. So I am actually doing some laundry at the moment, and I kind of forgot the things that I was supposed to wash. So I'm just gonna go back home and get them. But I just wanted to say Eid Mubarak to you all, guys, and I hope inshallah we reach the next Eid and the next Ramadan with good health and iman. Take care of your iman. Eid Mubarak to you and your family.